Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Sephora Play Luxe Volume 1. I did send this to the US border and I picked it up yesterday because as a Canadian, I cannot get Sephora Play, which, come on Sephora, really? Maybe Canadians would like it too. Just saying. This Sephora Play bag is not from the subscription. The subscription is a little bit different and it comes monthly. This is a special bag they do every once in a while where it is full of luxury items. It is 25 American dollars and it's supposed to be 110 American dollar value. Before we get started, if you guys are new here, hello, my name is Jena Froese. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. My channel is all about high-end and luxury beauty products. I review a lot of expensive items to see if they're actually worth their expensive price tag so that you guys don't waste your money. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on and unbox this together because I haven't seen what's inside and I'm super excited to find out. So it came in this kind of pink bag here and this is exactly what it is. I don't know what's inside yet. I'm actually really hoping that it's going to be worth the money because it is still $25. So my fear is that it's going to be all samples. Not gonna lie, but hopefully not. First thing I see is this pink bag. So this is exactly what it's all in. So it's a beautiful like pearly pink kind of color. Okay, so it's kind of like this. It's like a pouch that you're opening upwards like that. The first thing is a little sample. This is the SK-II Radical New Age RNA Power Cream. It's a moisturizer cream and you guys can tell like this is definitely a little sample. As you guys can see, it's very tiny. I think it would be like maybe 2 to 3 uses. I haven't actually tried this stuff yet at all. I know that SK-II is a expensive brand. They are known for their facial essence and I did haul it in my VIB sale haul, but it didn't work out for me. The active ingredient in their facial essence actually really irritated my cystic acne to my chin. So that is something that I've already decided, no, I'm not gonna do the facial essence, but I have heard many, many people really enjoy it. But I am interested in trying their cream. I just hope it doesn't have the, I think it's called Patera. That is their active ingredient. And if it does, I'm gonna have to say no because I know that it's gonna irritate my chin and we don't want that. The next product is from Guerlain and this is the Gold Primer. I do have the full size of this. So this is the full size compared to the sample. And as you guys can see, you obviously get way more product in the full size, but it is very expensive. So it's really, really nice that you get a little sample of this just to try it out. It definitely gives that skin a nice radiance and a glow. And I do enjoy using this, but for my normal to oily skin, I have to just apply a light layer. Otherwise, it can get really radiant and borderline greasy on me. So that's just a little bit of a tip if you have skin like me. The next product is another sample. This is the Eyes to Kill Classico Giorgio Armani Mascara. I have actually not tried their Eyes to Kill mascara. I can't believe I haven't. It's a decent sample. I feel like this would last you probably maybe a couple weeks to a month, depending on how much you use, of course. If you're like me, you coat your eyelashes like crazy with mascara, so maybe this will last you a couple weeks. The bristle on this, I haven't even seen it before. Okay, so it's nice and wide, it's nice and fluffy. I really do like bristles like this. I do think it's going to be a nice mascara to try out and I'm pretty excited. I have heard really great things about this one, so that is really exciting. The next item is from Atelier Cologne. I believe that's how you pronounce the brand. Let me know down below if I'm incorrect. I would love to be corrected if that's wrong. This is their Iris Rebelle cologne and they have colognes that are incredibly concentrated so you don't need a lot and they're very, very fragrant, which I really like. I love that it's a spray and not a roller ball because I hate roller balls. I have no idea why, maybe it's just in my head, but I don't find they last as long and the roller ball sometimes can get like defective before you're done using the whole product. I do have one of these colognes in my collection and it is the Pomelo Paradise one. So this is a full bottle versus the little sample size. And as you guys can see, of course you're getting a lot more in the full size, but this one it's lasted me a long time too because they are so concentrated and you really don't need a lot. This one is definitely fruity. I use this one a lot. It's like citrusy fruity, which I really like, and it's a perfect like summer cologne, which I love. The sample in the bag, which is the Iris one, is one I don't see myself purchasing a full size of because it just appears too floral, but I do think I'll give it a go and I'll try it out and just see how it kind of meshes with my skin, because fragrances do express themselves a bit differently based on body chemistry and different people, so I'm kind of excited. Maybe this will be a winner, but either way, you do get a generous size amount of this, so that's awesome. The next item is from YSL, and this is a little sample size again of one of their lip stains. This is the Tatouage Couture Matte Stain, and this is in number 1. This is a orangey red kind of color. I'm just gonna swatch it on the back of my hand here for you. Oh wow, yeah, this is definitely pigmented. One swipe and this is what you get. It is absolutely stunning. I do think it's going to be amazing. I do have quite a few YSL lip products, but I've never tried their matte stains before. I do wish we had at least one full-size product in here, but so far we haven't. But either way, I'm not mad. Like, there's some nice samples of some nice products so far. The last item is from La Mer, and it is their Eye Concentrate. This is also in another sample size, and as you guys can see, it is quite tiny. That's just like, okay, that's the bottom of my hand, so it's like halfway from my hand. So this is definitely a nice little way to try it. I haven't tried the Eye Concentrate myself. I have tried her La Mer cream and I absolutely love it. The one that I use is the moisturizing gel cream. It's meant more so for normal to oily skin types. This one is apparently really good for dark circles, so I'm super excited to try this one out as well. Now for my final thoughts about everything, because we are done the bag. There is nothing else in it, so that is everything. So you do also get 50 bonus points as well when you go in store, I believe. Oh man, pass must be redeemed in a US store with purchase to get bonus points. Okay, I guess the next time I'm in a US store, I'll have to remember to bring this. When it comes to my thoughts on everything in this kit, it is $25 US to get all of this stuff. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I think a lot of this stuff is sample size that you could easily get at the Sephora store for free. So definitely as a Canadian, I would 100% not recommend this, because you can get the majority of this stuff as free samples in the store, especially if you have a larger store that carries these luxury items. So that would be a definite not recommend, especially because they try to pull you with these bonus points and you can't even redeem them in a Canadian store unless you go to the States often that has a Sephora. I don't see how this is necessary for you. For a American client though, I do think that I still wouldn't recommend this because it is still $25 of basically samples. So you do get the points, which is nice, but I do think the products themselves you can easily get for free as samples. I don't have anything against Sephora as a brand. You guys know I basically live there, but I do have to share my honest thoughts on this. Unfortunately, I'm pretty disappointed with this Luxe box, and I wish we had at least one full-size product in here to make it worth it. I would much rather take the time to go through the store and collect a sample of a product for free that I was eyeing and then put that $25 towards the full size if it's something that I really, really love. Anyways, guys, those are my thoughts on this Sephora Play Luxe Box Volume 1. Let me know down below what you guys think about this box. Do you think you're going to be getting it yourself? I'm super curious. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, just so that I know. And don't forget to subscribe as well. I would love to see you guys again. And until my next one, guys, take care. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!